local forecast.
Got ourselves a beautiful late winter's day here in the desert Southwest on this Monday. Let's take a look at your RV World of Yuma sky, Kim, and as you can see, a little shimmying there as far as that is concerned. So we've definitely had some wind gusts in our area, in some cases up to 30-35 miles per hour. Now here's what we're looking at beyond this particular vantage point as far as the satellite radar is concerned. A little bit of inclement weather to northern Arizona's perspective, not affecting us in that particular respect, but certainly the wind effects have been there. Certainly a wind advisory in portions of Southern California, but notice not here in the desert Southwest. Speaking of the winds, here's the latest and greatest on that. As you can see, out of the north for the most part, we're talking anywhere from 10, 20, in some cases even close to 25 mile per hour consistent winds. We've had gusts a little bit higher than that today. In the temperature realm, well, we've been looking nice in this particular regard. We're talking about high end 60s, low end 70s in the Imperial Valley. On the Gila Valley side, you can see a very similar temperature spectrum. And you notice there's no 70-degree temperatures as of right now. So we barely got into that realm today. But as you know, we are in the month of March, and that will change pretty rapidly. We'll get into that in a few. But tonight, we're expecting a system to kind of roll through, at least portions of the Pacific Northwest, and then Tuesday we get another one that's going to kind of affect things a little bit more. So that's what they got to deal with up there, and there's that trough right there, and as you can see, that particular dynamic still affecting us. It's bringing in some of that cool air. It's bringing in the wind. You see the lines pretty close together, so that's indicative of wind speeds for our area. And your Metrocast, 65 degrees by 7 this evening, and as we get into the overnights, we are going to get pretty cool for this time of year. We'll be in the high-end 40s when we wake up for your Tuesday morning. So your air quality index brought to you by the Imperial County Air Pollution Control District. We're all good in this realm and even in the Yuma area as well. Speaking of which, here is what we're looking at for the Yuma area for your extended forecast. We're going to keep it in the 70s, but notice we are going to jump up a little bit by midweek, and then the next system is going to take us back down. We go back up again, this time a little bit stronger. So the ridges over time are going to get stronger, and we're already starting to see that as we get on into next weekend, beginning of next week. That's right, you could be seeing potential 90s popping up as we get on to the early goings, if not the middle of next week. So spring transition, guys.